Okay, got the Braun light from Harbor Freight plugged in. You can see right here, it's got the green light right there. And the really jukey thing about this, that about this light is the fact that I have it plugged in, right? So right here I have it all plugged in. It's charging. You can tell by the green light. I have this other light going. So I turn it on, right? And give it about 10 seconds here and it's going to go dark. Boom. So this light doesn't even work. Will not even stay on when it's plugged in. Hit the button again. Nothing. So anyone looking to buy this light, I would pass on this piece of junk, dude. So annoying. But lesson learned, some stuff at Harbor Freight is good, some stuff at Harbor Freight is bad, and this happens to be one of the bad ones. So stay away from the Braun rechargeable LED light. Waste of money, dude. Waste of money. If anybody from Harbor Freight is listening, please reach out to me and tell me why it does not charge when it's plugged into the wall, or why it won't work when it's plugged into the wall.
Just open up a Juki, it's a party in a can. Juki is so fun and fruity, you'll be dancing in the sand. Juki make you really kooky, Juki make you manly man. Juki, woo! Ah, it's a party in a can. Juki.
Oh man, mine's busted. Trust your taste buds, not commercials.